So look at the salads, they're all chopped nicely and neat. Hi guys, I'm Danny. Welcome to the Bang for the Buck channel. Guys, just look around you. The world is changing fast. Innovative products are coming out in the speed of a light. From Homo erectus to the Industrial Revolution, to man landing on the moon, to the internet, to the AI. We use all these great innovative products. But what about kitchen? What about kitchen? So after thousands of years, you still use a knife to cut vegetables like onions. But you get messed up, you need so much time. Plus, you cry when you cut these onions. Oh, God. But today, we have a 3-no product. No mess, no overtime, no tears. Yes, the onion cutter. Boom. This product can cut any vegetables in 1 second like this. Boom. It has over 4,800 reviews in Amazon, and they say this is the lifesaver. They say this chops like a dream. Now this onion chopper comes with a 6.8 milliliter blades, also plus a 13.6 blades, which you can cut in big volumes. And you can lock it up like this, and there's the pusher. So all you have to do is press it in an easy bounce, and this container contains about 4 cups, about 1.2 liters of vegetables. We have a special friend here, Mark. Say hi, Mark.
Hi guys.
Yes, Mark is a handsome guy who's going to experience the onion cutter today. And then to put it on the blades like this, and then wow!
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Did you see that? You saw that? You saw it all chopped like this? It takes like 2 or 3 minutes to cut all this, but it's just chopped in 1 second like this. So easy, man. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, Mark! What's going on, Mark?
Incredible.
This $24 onion chopper is a bang for the buck deal, man. Guys, why you have to use knives? Just use this onion chopper, man.
Only $24?
Only 24 bucks, man. From now, I will use this onion cutter to make the world's fastest salad. We have a giant salad just finished in 20 seconds. So look at the salads, they're all chopped nicely and neat. So if you use this onion cutter, like 2-3 in a row, and like there's vegetables from carrots, broccoli, onions and all that, you have to clean the blades once in a while with water, unless, I mean, you will get stuck, so it might kind of irritate you. But, you know, besides that, this works perfect. Boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, boom, bam, bam, boom, boom, bam. Yeah, that's how you do it. So until now, there were choppers like this, which cost like $10 or $9. But this, it's very dangerous because the blades are exposed right to your fingers like this. It basically works, but the problem is, I mean, you have to take the blade off, and which is very dirty like this. Aren't you afraid of cooking, losing face in your dishes, chopping, dicing all the time, but it tires you? Then choose this onion chopper, guys. If you're just cautious of using it, it's a great bang for the buck product. I'll be back with another great bang for the buck product. Stay tuned. See ya. Bye.